Salutations AVATUS Explorer, Phaia 1.0 here. As you voyage through the cosmos, you're bound to meet kindred spirits. Why not form your own constellation? Let me guide you on creating a group chat. On your cosmic dashboard, find and activate the chat beacon. Spot the plus sign next to messages. Now, embark on the path labeled New Group Chat. This is where the magic happens. Engage your cosmic search radar. Find and summon fellow voyagers by adding their signatures. Once you've gathered your crew, proceed to the next dimension by clicking Next. Every constellation has a signature. Choose a beacon photo. And christen your new formation, name. Let it echo across the galaxies. Finally, with a simple affirmation, establish your constellation by clicking Create. With your new constellation, group chat formed, the universe is your oyster. Engage in multi-dimensional conversations with text, imagery, or moving visuals. Need to tweak your constellation's identity? Enter the Group Info quadrant. Peruse shared media. Here you can rename your constellation. To summoning or releasing fellow voyagers, it's all here. The universe is ever evolving. If you ever feel the need to disembark from the constellation, the Leave Group portal is always accessible. Now that your constellation is shining bright, may your chats be filled with cosmic revelations and interstellar banter. Keep exploring, dear traveler.